5 Passive Income Strategies to Make Money While You Sleep. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of passive income and sharing 5 powerful strategies that can help you make money while you sleep. So, grab a pen and paper, because you won't want to miss these. Passive income is all about creating streams of revenue that require minimal effort to maintain. It's the ultimate way to achieve financial freedom and build wealth over time. Let's jump into our first strategy. Strategy number 1. Real estate investing. Whether it's rental properties, urban rentals, or real estate crowdfunding, real estate can be an excellent source of passive income. We'll discuss how to get started and the potential returns you can expect. Strategy number 2. Dividend investing. Investing in dividend-paying stocks and funds can provide you with regular income without having to actively trade. We'll break down how to build a dividend portfolio and the power of compounding returns. Strategy number 3. Affiliate marketing. By promoting products or services through affiliate links, you can earn commissions on sales generated through your unique links. We'll share tips on finding profitable affiliate programs and maximizing your earnings. Strategy number 4. Creating digital products. Whether it's ebooks, online courses, or digital downloads, creating and selling digital products can generate passive income for years to come. We'll explore the steps to create and market your own digital products. Strategy number 5. High-yield savings accounts. While it may not be as glamorous as other strategies, parking your money in high-yield savings accounts, or CDs, can provide a steady stream of passive income with minimal risk. We'll cover the best accounts and how to optimize your savings. And there you have it. 5 powerful passive income strategies that can help you build wealth and achieve financial independence. Which strategy are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content on building wealth and creating financial freedom. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.